Hi, this is Vijay Raj.
This is KK.
This is Manoj Bajpayee.
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
7 उचक्के।
नंगा ही देखना है तो आधा अधूरा क्यों पूरा ही देख लो हरामखोरों। Well, that's the sort of tempo that Saat Uchakke promo is carrying, and the movie is I'm sure that is as entertaining as the promo is. And we'll talk to the three main guys of the movie, that is Manoj Bajpayee, KK Menon and Vijay Raj. Huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you.
And how does it? Apparently, you guys have had I think a long censor battle for almost like 3-4 years now, and quite a lot of changes have happened in terms of the words as well. So, are you happy with the final product that is there as of now?
See, as long as certain curse words are modified, we are fine with it, because you know, I personally have had many experiences before. I mean, one of them is Satya, where you know all the abuses were there, but those days none of them got allowed.
Exactly.
Okay, but today with Saat Uchakke, tribunal has modified only 60 words, and you know they asked us to go ahead with the rest of them. So we are quite happy with it, quite satisfied. Rather, I must tell everybody that you know we've already done the dubbing of alternate words when we were dubbing for the film.
Okay.
Okay, so we didn't have to go back to the dubbing room to modify our words to suit the suit the guideline or the instructions of the tribunal. So for us, we are still we can still say that you know the Saat Uchakke essence is all intact, and all the words which have been modified, they've been modified much in advance. With you know equally powerful expression.
So you're happy?
Very happy, very satisfied.
All right, KK sir, you have this not picturizing you, but there's a dialogue in the promo that in Indian culture we respect sex, where female is goddess and male is god, and at time of sex into each other they become super god. Do you think? I think it's like really funny, but do you think that something like this can be taken in because आजकल कोई पता नहीं है that किस बात का कौन बुरा मान जाए. Do you think that something like this is slightly contentious? Do you feel that way?
आपने उत्तर दे दिया ना, आजकल क्या होता कुछ पता नहीं चलता।
Yeah.
तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं यार इस फिल्म के अंदर।
Right. No, I think it's extremely funny. It's a foreign tourist that they like to just basically dupe.
Absolutely. So I think it's within the context of the movie. So people who are sensible will see it that way. अब non-sensible people को हम क्या करें? कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना।
Correct. Vijay Raj साहब, I think you are extremely entertaining in the promo. जो आपका एक जो dialogue इसमें इनका कहीं ना कहीं आपका है, आखिर में इनफैक्ट जो कहता है, especially like that तुमने कहा था कि कूद के देखने के लिए जब आप कहते हैं कि that कूद के देखो, and कुछ आपका fascination आपका DK बोस से आपका काफी है, कुछ एक Delhi belly, some people are saying that एक Delhi belly वाला feel कहीं ना कहीं है that DK बोस
मतलब वो डिपेंड करता है ना वो किरदार कैसा है। ऐसा नहीं है ना कि जो आदमी गाली दे रहा है वो सब एक जैसे हैं,
बिल्कुल
ऐसा नहीं है, और जो गाली नहीं देते हैं वो बहुत वैसा नहीं है, कुछ भी तय नहीं होता है किसी भी एक चीज़ से।
जी,
डीके बॉस अलग था, यहाँ सीधा ही है, यहाँ डीके बॉस नहीं है, सीधा ही है,
राइट,
उल्टा है।
बोस डीके,
आप बोलना चाहे तो आप बोल सकते हैं because this is online, so
बोस डीके,
हाँ मतलब वो है,
राइट।
एक आदमी है जिसने मतलब जहाँ वो जी रहा है, जिन गलियों में वो पला बढ़ रहा है और जिस क्लास से वो बिलोंग करता है, वहाँ ये उसकी बातचीत है, काम नहीं चलाना है, बात करता है ना आदमी यार,
बिल्कुल
बात करता है, वो वैसे ही बात करता है, वो कहाँ पे,
राइट।
एक्चुअली हम इस मुद्दे पे बात कर रहे हैं 2016 में,
जी,
ये अपने आप में बड़ा फनी है।
Why do you say that? You know? Why do you say that?
Because हम क्या बचा रहे हैं कि जिस वजह से मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि सेंसर में ये हो गई कि यार आज सब लेके बैठे हैं, आप ये लेके बैठे हैं पूरा बम हाथ में, है ना?
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली।
ये क्या बचा रहे हैं आपकी बोस डीके कर रहे हैं उसको, या सीधा ही बोल देते हैं ना?
हाँ,
करेक्ट।
और इसमें तो बहुत सारे बोस डीके हैं।
हाँ, बोस डीके हैं, गोटे फ्राई हैं, और उस सबके बीच में वो आदमी फाइनली बात क्या कर रहा है, वो फिल्म बात क्या कर रही है फाइनली,
जी,
यू नो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
कि अगर उचक्का अगर होगा, अगर वो सोफिस्टिकेटेड भाषा में बात करेगा तो फिर तो कोई उचक्का कहने का मतलब ही नहीं है ना उसका, फिर उचक्का की फिर उसका पॉइंट ही क्या रहेगा?
भाई देखो, दो तरह के चोर होते हैं
जी, एक
ऐसे होते हैं जो यहाँ मिलेंगे, एक बड़े वाले होते हैं जिनकी बातें सुनेंगे आपको लगेगा यार माँ की यहाँ
क्लास एकदम बिल्कुल क्लास,
सारा देश चुरा लिया उन्होंने, वो देश चुरा लेते हैं,
वो देश चुराते हैं,
वो देश चुरा लेते हैं।
आप पॉलिटिशियंस की बात कर रहे हैं। देश चुराने की अगर आप बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं मतलब उसमें
नहीं, मैं लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं,
लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं।
ऐसे भी हैं, ऐसी क्लास है जो ये क्लास है, ये क्लास है बेचारे अपना
ये सामने से
किसी
छोड़
पॉकेट
देंगे।
मार ली
हाँ,
चाय
सामने,
पानी।
हाँ।
एक लोग हैं, वो तो उनका पॉकेट से नहीं चलता है भाई,
राइट
पूरी कंट्री उड़ा लेते हैं वो, स्टेट उड़ा लेते हैं।
एब्सोल्युटली बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आप एब्सोल्युटली सही कह रहे हैं आप। मनोज भाई इनफैक्ट जब अलीगढ़ के टाइम पे इनफैक्ट हम लोगों ने बात करी थी एंड आपने यू हैड सर्टेन रिजर्वेशंस, अभी भी जब उसका टेलीविजन इनफैक्ट उसका प्रीमियर हुआ है तो उसमें होमोसेक्सुअल वर्ड जो है उसको म्यूट कर दिया गया है। तो आपको लगता है कि ये इस तरीके का भाषा के ऊपर आप जब इस तरीके का आप जबरन आप कुछ करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो somehow इट अटपटा लगता है, बिकॉज इफ हम लोग जब हॉलीवुड की फिल्में देखते हैं तो उसमें जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट है वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बनस्बत के ज़बान की।
लैंग्वेज, हाँ।
तो जो वो एक जो चीज़ है कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप उसको आप पॉइंट आउट करें देन इट लुक्स ऑड। लेकिन यहाँ पर तो जैसे काफ़ी वर्ड्स हैं जो कि आई एम श्योर दैट इवन आप कह रहे हैं दैट यू आर सेटिस्फाइड बट
out of 170
Right.
words,
Right.
60 are sacrificed.
Correct.
So in context, I'm feeling much more satisfied that 110 are passed and approved.
Right.
So in context, I'm very very much satisfied, and also as I told you that we haven't gone back to the dubbing theatre to modify those words and redub those words.
जी, बिल्कुल।
So we've had these apprehensions, and those apprehensions are they always come true. The kind of actors that we are, unfailingly will be getting attracted to very very realistic kind of films which are experimental in their nature, they are niche in their nature, and where language will be just a tool but the context will be much more important. So we keep suffering this, and it's not happening today. It's been happening since ages. I have been telling this. There is not one target. The target should be the institutions. The CBFC and the working of the CBFC should be discussed, and this discussion should have happened long back. And today is the time when new recommendations are needed. I just hope the Shyam Benegal's recommendations
जी.
are
Incorporated.
and they should start working on it.
Right.
Because definition of the working of CBFC is the need of the time.
बिल्कुल के सर when I just saw the promo for the first time I was totally blown about because कि इस तरीके का जो एक irreverent जो एक जिसको humor कहते हैं वो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं सामने आता है and it's extremely funny and you guys I think are having a lot of fun together.
Yes.
Because I think as a team it's very important that you guys should be enjoying yourself. How was your experience of being a part of something like this and just collaborating with all these people, wonderful artists in their
See,
own right.
to explain superlatives about experience is very boring. It's obvious seeing us that we have had a wonderful time while
जी बिल्कुल
shooting the film. Above all, the film, see what happens is when you have a film, there's certain ethos which the place carries, the space in which you shoot carry, the screenplay carries a particular ethos. For example, if I'm doing a film based in Afghanistan, I have to have the ethos and pathos of that space
Bilkul.
and time.
Right.
So that is the biggest plus point of this film, that you have the entire flavor of Purani Delhi in the
Right,
film.
correct.
It's almost like you're actually visiting the place when you see the film. You almost will be there. You'll be able to really, as I always say, smell the place. So it has that much of integrity towards the place. Now, as far as having our experiences are concerned, see, we are actors who know cinema, who understand acting, who are very secure in their own places. When such people come together, then the only thing that you can have extra is fun.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we have had a lot of fun while shooting the film, and I think that translates when you see it for yourself in the film. You'll realize that the give and take is not mundane. It's slightly elevating.
Absolutely. In fact, you have this dialogue that ईट मार रहा है ये बावरी पूंछ, जोर से मार, देखो कितना सनी देओल है तू. You are a writer yourself. You've directed as well. Something about the writing. आपको जो इसकी जो language है और जो writing जो है वो सिर्फ ज़बान नहीं होती है. It's basically how you just सारी चीज़ों का आप किस तरीके से इकट्ठा आपने किया है. कुछ अगर आप इसके लैंग्वेज के बारे में, राइटिंग के बारे में अगर आप बताएं, दैट कैसा आपका तजुर्बा था when you just heard it for the first time.
जहाँ पर फिल्म सेट है
जी
वहाँ के लोगों की कहानी है और वहाँ के किरदार हैं,
जी
वो कैसी जुबान में बात करते हैं, और 6, 7, 8 जितने भी किरदार हैं, इसका गाली दे रहे हैं सब लोग, बट फिर भी वो अलग किरदार हैं. पप्पी जाट वाला एक डिफरेंट किरदार है, उसका माइंडसेट डिफरेंट है, उसकी साइकोलॉजी डिफरेंट है. जो के भाई कर रहे हैं उनकी उसकी साइड है वहीं का, मैं हूँ, तो तीनों किरदारों की मतलब सभी किरदारों की जब राइटर एक नस पकड़ता है ना कि किरदार की एक तो लैंग्वेज हो गई,
बिल्कुल
फिर
बिल्कुल
उसकी नस हो गई जिसमें उसकी सोच कि वो कैसा सोचता है, यू नो क्या सोचता है वो, कैसे चीजें करता है, मतलब बहुत कम होता है ऐसा बॉलीवुड में कि राइटिंग में ही वो कमाल हो कि आपका काम ही आसान हो जाए, बहुत कम होता है। यहाँ कोई वैसे वो पंचेज नहीं है कि पंच जो होता है ना पंच बनाते हैं
Absolutely.
कि जो
Item
हमें आदत है
राइट
फिल्मों की कि मतलब जो चलते भी हैं,
नहीं डेफिनेटली
यहाँ आदमी आदमी से बात कर रहा है और वो उसी वहीं का होके बात कर रहा है,
करेक्ट
उस तरीके से लिखी हुई हैं चीजें जो सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरती है इस फिल्म की।
जी सबसे
सबसे बड़ी
सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरती है इसमें।
हम तो मतलब उसमें हम आ गए, हमने थोड़ा जिंदा कर दिया है उन चीज़ों को, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट जब होती है वो तो इट्स डेड थिंग, यू नो, इट्स नथिंग।
जी बिल्कुल
तो उसी चीज़ को आप देखेंगे कि इतनी सुंदर जो स्क्रिप्ट है, इतनी सुंदर जो कहानी है, वो कैसे जिंदा हुई है और हमसे जो भी कंट्रीब्यूट हो पाया एज एन एक्टर, यू नो।
No, but you know, said something very beautifully that you know things which are there, which are beautiful in the script, but they are still dead. You know, they till a living creature start giving words. You know, giving words to it.
Absolutely.
So, लेकिन विजय ने जो बात कही कि I completely you know agree with him that we didn't have to do anything. We just had to live it. We just had to live it. The words were there. You know, the characters were there. And the ethos was there, the place was there. We were shooting there. We were smelling it every day. We just had to, you know, look at each
आप हो
other
जाए वहाँ, आप हो जाए।
and just be yourself. That's it. So and rest, you know, the script just took care of you. It was so beautiful. And also in the beginning, you've said that you know there was 3-4 year battle. I must you know correct you here. There was no you know 3-4. It was 2-3 years of battle.
Okay.
You know,
The
because
media में generally I think it's being said 4 years.
not
it's been-
really.
Right.
No, not really.
Correct.
नहीं, मीडिया में तो कई चीज़ों को ये भी नहीं मालूम हिंदुस्तान आज़ाद कब हुआ था। कई बार वो आता है कि अरे 60 साल हो गए, 60 साल नहीं हुए, ज़्यादा हो गए, लेकिन ये मोटा मोटा पकड़ लेता है ना, आसान मजा आता है हाँ, कि 60 साल,
नहीं आप
अबे ज़्यादा हो गए बे,
नहीं बिल्कुल
70 होने को आए।
सही सही
तो वैसा है, तो मीडिया तो फिर मीडिया आप मतलब आप
राइट नहीं हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि
करो
वैसे
गलती
हम लोग वैसे एक्चुअली नहीं कोशिश करते हैं कि वो ना हो। मनोज भाई all of you I think you're gifted actors and you're writers actors actually in your own right. अगर मैं आपसे जैसे पूछना चाहूँ जैसे someone like विजय राज आई थिंक इनकी जो खासियत है अगर आप इनकी फिल्मों को अगर आप सिनेमा हॉल में देखें ऑल ऑफ यू at different point of time you've in fact played around with comedy and very successfully. Someone like him when he says certain dialogues with a totally deadpan expression, very serious expressions, and the crowd erupts completely. क्या आपके feelings हैं? Like
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge, definitely.
See, it's a challenge to work, you know, with or in front of Vijay Raj. Because to stay in your character
Right.
is very difficult. Sometimes he just, you know, he's just,
लोग
you know,
काम देना बंद कर देंगे यार मनोज भाई, यार,
provokes your
मतलब
character
कई
to
बार
come
कह
out
चुके हो
of
बात।
come out of that.
लोग काम देना बंद कर देंगे भाई, इसके साथ बड़ा मुश्किल है भाई काम करना। अरे यार
He is somebody. He makes you alert. You know, he doesn't let you relax. Doesn't let you relax anytime.
Correct.
You know, and same is with him. You know, I mean, every time people say that, you know, के भाई आपने तो आप serious role के लिए जाने जाते हैं. You wait and watch him in this film.
No, he has quite a few funny roles.
For me, it was a first-hand experience doing that police station sequence with him. It was you know, because because the Sathu Chekki is my kind of humor, you know, where nobody is trying to make you laugh, when nobody is trying to entertain you within inverted commas.
मतलब एक होती है कॉमेडी,
Yeah.
एक होता है ह्यूमर। इट्स अ ह्यूमरस फिल्म, इट्स नॉट अ कॉमेडी फिल्म,
Right.
ह्यूमरस फिल्म।
Humorous film.
So-
ये बहुत बड़ी बात कही आपने.
जी
Right.
तो इसमें एक्टर्स हम लोग कितने सारे हम सब एक्टर्स आपस में काम करते थे, तो कितनी बार बहुत सारे एक्टर्स जो है मुंह छुपा करके हंस करके हंस के वो सीरियस हो जाते थे. You know, so it was difficult. It was difficult, but because Vijay Raj, definitely his timing is impeccable.
Right.
But KK Menon and Anu Kapoor, the way he's,
Yeah, he's
I have few scenes with him in the film. I had very difficult time in front of him, very difficult.
जैसे इन्होंने बताया that you have an amazing comic timing, but why is it that somehow you've been caught up in this serious actor mold? Do you feel that somehow this film maybe it'll break in a way that mold? And ये भी एक कुछ लोगों की शिकायत है कि that आप उतना ज़्यादा मीडिया में उतना सामने नहीं आते हैं except for promoting once in a while some of your films.
I come to the media for legitimate things.
Right.
I come in front of, like, this is a very
आपने in fact you
it's a very legitimate film
जी
which I want to promote, which is why I come to you, and it's up to you guys to take it further. And as far as this allegation about me being serious, etc., see, people sitting here at the moment, we are people who take our work seriously, but we don't take ourselves very seriously. Okay, हम लोग अपने आप को इतना नहीं करते हैं. Perhaps 90% of the industry works the other way around, but we don't. We don't take ourselves very seriously. So for me to come and say in front of the media that I'm a top hoon phana dhimkana, I don't like it.
Correct.
Only if we have a film like this, we know it's a legitimate cause and we have to come and promote it. So we come and promote it. So I go out of my way, including Vijay. Have you seen him ever?
Never. No. In fact, we've been with him to Vaga
so
actually.
I'm saying that people like us, we come for legitimate reasons, and I think that's the best way to do it. Right. Otherwise, see, I distinguish between noise and voice. Okay, there's a lot of noise here, but I prefer voice. If you have a voice, it has to be satik hona chahiye mamla. So therein lies the whole issue. And as far as me doing serious things is concerned, it's the same thing.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's just that there is a tendency of every industry in this world to try and prototype or stereotype your particular thing.
See, I would like to try, add few things to whatever
Sure.
you were asking. It's ironical, it's because when all of us, when we are doing individual work and we choose scripts which are evoking all kind of emotion in you, which is touching all your senses, and the scripts will have all the rasas. Okay, we don't particularly, try to prove that I'm a comic actor also, and I'm a serious actor also, or I'm a horror actor also. No, that's not our purpose. But our purpose has been only one thing: to find the right script and do justice to it.
That particular
character,
which is given to you.
Absolutely.
So many times I have been asked, कि sir, आप comedy film क्यों नहीं करते? But I always maintain one thing: I don't need to prove it to anybody that I'm good at comedy.
Absolutely.
Okay. I'm looking for a script here. I don't have to do a comedy for the sake of doing a comedy just to prove it to others that I'm good at
Absolutely.
it. So this is the film. This is the kind of humorous film that I believe in, where nobody is trying to do anything extra to make anybody laugh. It's a film with a purpose, and there are loads of humor in it.
Absolutely.
So ये है फिल्म, मैं जिसको कॉमेडी फिल्म मानता हूँ और जिसमें बिलीव करता हूँ, मेरे ख्याल से हम सभी।
बिल्कुल।
और तभी हम लोग पूरी जगह जा रहे हैं और सब लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि दर्शक भी इस तरह की फिल्मों को इनकरेज करें और मीडिया भी इनकरेज करे।
और उनको इनफैक्ट फर्क समझ में आए। व्हेन जब एक आदमी देखता है दो तरह की चीज़ तो समझ में आता है। एक्चुअली यार ये तो कुछ और चीज़ है यार।
ये बिल्कुल
एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि if you try not to be funny, then perhaps the humor will come out.
Absolutely. That's what I think.
That's exactly what we have been doing in the film. And secondly, what happens is it's an egoless performances. It's nothing to do with your personal ego.
Right.
It's egoless. If you've taken in that person, Pappy is Pappy now. Forget Manoj Vajpayee.
Right.
So Tircha is Tircha now. Right. And then forget Vijay Raj. So that is the idea of performances, and that's something that our industry should have learned long time back. Unfortunately, it's not the case. But I believe that's the way to go, and that's how you perform. You don't carry your own ego, and that's why I say, when in mainstream cinema it's so simple to act. You just have to triple your own ego and sit there and say one dialogue, and that's it. People will ताली बजाएंगे और निकल जाएंगे.
You've done like a drone.
Yeah, I've done.
You've done quite.
I'm talking from experience, dost. It's not out of the hat.
And
I
you
know
criticize
exactly.
for those,
I know
you
exactly
criticize
what
for
I'm
those.
doing in mainstream cinema.
Absolutely.
I mean, and that's what the language of that thing is. I'm nothing against them. It's just that my whole point is peaceful coexistence. You have to come and watch films like these.
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
Otherwise,
No,
cinema will completely
absolutely,
perish. Yeah.
Absolutely. In fact, a lot of
आप लोग भी
scenes.
बोर हो जाओगे यार.
बिल्कुल.
वही तरह का वहीं जा
बिल्कुल,
बोर हो
बिल्कुल,
जाओगे.
बिल्कुल.
ऐसे लोगों से मिलो ना.
बिल्कुल नहीं, we would love to. नहीं, मनोज भाई से हम लोग मिलते रहते हैं, आपसे भी आज मुलाकात हो रही है.
मैं कम मिलता हूँ दोस्त.
नहीं बिल्कुल मैं समझ सकता हूँ.
ये रेयर कमोडिटी नहीं है.
मैं कम
इनफैक्ट
थोक में मिलते नहीं है ये.
बिल्कुल.
अलग से दुकान है, साल के 1 महीने खुलती है और वो भी सुबह के 6 बजे खुलेगी, 7 बजे बंद. 6:30.
Gangs of Wasseypur, you had several comic scenes,
Right.
which were like situational comic,
Right.
and it was very funny.
जी.
There were several, like your interaction with the wife and a lot of others. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये था विजय भाई, that जैसे जब हम इसका प्रोमो देखते हैं तो बहुत ही फनी है, हर तरीके की लैंग्वेज है एंड द एंटायर थिंग इज देयर. आपका क्या मानना है कि दैट बहुत से लोगों का मानना है, जैसे कि अगर देखा जाए कि कॉमेडी जो है अगर वो है तो वो सेक्स कॉमेडी में ही जो है कॉमेडी होती है, बट बहुत से लोगों का यही मानना है कि आज के टाइम पे एटलीस्ट इंडिया में जो सेक्स कॉमेडी का जो जॉनर है बॉलीवुड में, कहीं ना कहीं इट्स नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल. दैट वो सेम चीज़ जो है वो बार बार उसको परोसा जा रहा है एंड कहीं ना कहीं उसके अंदर ह्यूमर तो पूरे तरीके से खत्म हो चुका है. एंड इट हैज़ बिकम, जैसे आपने आइटम्स की बात करी थी, आइटम्स सिर्फ उसके अंदर होते हैं और उसमें जो कहीं ना कहीं जो एक सिर्फ जो भद्दापन है वो रह गया है, जो ह्यूमर है वो कहीं ना कहीं टोटली खत्म हो चुका है. आपका क्या मानना है इसके बारे में?
मतलब आप जो मान रहे हैं वो कतई मैं मानता हूँ. बात ये है, ये सच है.
Right.
और सच वो यूं है कि लोगों के पास है ही नहीं, बेचारों के पास. वही है. वो इस फिल्म में आपको देखने मिले कि एक आदमी ने एक चीज लिखी है, यानी उसके पास है तो उसने लिखी है.
बिल्कुल.
वो बेचारे हैं, उनके पास तो उन पे दया करनी चाहिए. उनके पास है ही नहीं तो लिखें कहाँ से?
नहीं,
उनको वही समझ में आता है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है.
You know? कि ये कर देते हैं तो इसमें मतलब सेक्स डाल देते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा. अरे यार,
And they are failing. These films, they are failing right now.
होना चाहिए.
I
होंगी.
just,
The audience is
hope and
rejecting.
pray that they keep failing. See, because Sanjeev Sharma kind of people and people like Anurag and Vishal, they have been doing very good work. But Sanjeev Sharma kind of movies and Sanjeev Sharma kind of people should be there in numbers. Rather, they should be in the majority.
Absolutely.
Okay. Because this is the kind of writing which is needed today
No, absolutely.
in our cinema.
Absolutely.
Because this is the kind of writing which will take you, take you towards evolution, which we haven't even started.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So everybody says that industry is going through a transition period.
No.
I said no, it has never.
Never.
No.
It's always threatened to, but never.
It is always threatened. It is always threatened. but
Okay.
It's never gone there.
Okay, KK sir, you've said something on 100 Crore Club, that it's a marketing gimmick. It has been inculcated in the audience's mind that 100 crore means something. It just means money and nothing else. It doesn't mean good cinema. It doesn't make any sense. I always say that if I find a 100 Crore Club, I'll go and play tennis there.
Yes.
Among my 80 odd films, there are 13, 14 films which are memorable. I think the percentage of my good films is 10, which is not bad. Which is a very, I think, very, very poignant statement to make, because somehow that this entire relation between box office and good cinema, I think it's something that division has to be established and that too as clearly as possible.
क्या है ना, मुझे एक तकलीफ होती है एक रूल से
जी
कि अगर आप बहुत बेहतरीन हो अपने काम में
जी
तो आपको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. ये जो है ना, ये पता नहीं कहाँ का रूल है यार. आई थिंक दैट रूल एग्जिस्ट इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, दैट इफ यू मेक अ वेरी गुड फिल्म then you're not eligible for the 100 Crore Club.
Correct.
You know, so that is where my problem lies, and which is why मैंने शायद गुस्से में उस समय ये बात बोली थी और अभी भी गुस्से में हूँ ऐसा की बात नहीं है. तो मेरा ये कहना क्या है कि भैया अगर आप इस फिल्म को 100 करोड़ पहुँचाओगे ना, तो जो 80 मैंने कहा ना, जिसमें से तो 13-14 फिल्में हैं जो मैं मेमोरेबल समझता हूँ,
जी बिल्कुल
80 के 80 मेमोरेबल फिल्म करूँगा मैं.
क्या बात.
You know, but the fact is that the audiences, the media people especially, have to understand that जो अच्छी फिल्में होती है ना, good cinema is not injurious to health. Good cinema is very good for health, यार.
No, absolutely, and it can be very entertaining as well.
So if you want good education for your child, if you want good clothes for your child, good nutrition for your child, why not good cinema?
Absolutely.
My whole point is that when I find that a mother very proudly says that my little girl doesn't eat food until I hear some IDEX or Jhandu or something like that, it pains me.
Yeah.
It pains me deeply because you are spoiling the next generation. And the next after that. After a point, the fourth generation will not even know what a performance is, will not even know what good cinema is. They will, because they are an impressionable age, no? So it depends on what you're trying to inculcate in them.
Absolutely.
So this whole thing, hangama about, अरे इसका controversy हो जाएगा उसको, वहाँ तो कोई बोलता नहीं. Parents खुद मतलब समझते नहीं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल 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 absolutely.
So जो बिकता है वो सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता.
Absolutely.
ये कोई रूल नहीं है.
Absolutely.
So बेचने के अलग-अलग तरीके हैं. So if you have a good packaging industry, which packages collages of the different kinds, and you earn a lot of money, which is why I said, doesn't mean that it's a very good film.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So for me, I think it's high time that the audiences also understand, like Manoj has said a very good thing last time, that whether you want to go first buy a ticket and then see if the film is good or bad, or do you want to first know what the film is all about and then go and spend your money.
जी बिल्कुल.
You know, he's so right. I mean, he's talking about, see, most of the people have a limited budget in their life. They have to spend it on entertainment somewhere.
जी बिल्कुल.
So spend it wisely, no?
Absolutely.
I mean, what's the point? I mean, by seeing the same damn thing all over again. I mean, how many times can you put your finger in your belt and dance here, and see the same damn thing all over again? It's not. It's boring.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
and I find it ridiculous to say, when people say, "अरे यार वो film देखी बहुत ही वाहियात film है, तो देखी क्यों भाई?" मतलब क्या कर रहे हो आप?
That's true. Manoj bhai, in fact, you and I think all of you made been part of the impasse statement that has been there on that films of Pakistani artists should be banned as far as working in Bollywood is concerned. A huge controversy has been surrounding. There have been various people. They have various point of views and everything. I think you made a statement that you are for it, that the Pakistani artists should be banned from.
No, I've never said anything like that.
I think there was some quote that I read of yours.
I have not been facing media so much, and nobody has asked me this question. So, whatever statement is there, that's false. What I mean to say that there is a government that which is chosen. Let there be their responsibility. Okay. Let's not start putting mic in front of everybody and ask their opinion.
Right.
Because none of us matters. None of us matter. Whether I want that to happen or not, whether he wants not to happen or not, it doesn't matter. These are the decisions taken by the government. Okay. So let's leave it to the government instead of just making a noise around it.
Absolutely. Vijay bhai, you've directed a film like Kya Dilli Kya Lahore. आपको क्या लगता है कि that if you have genuine, अगर आपके किसी देश से अगर आपके प्रॉब्लम्स हैं एट द लेवल ऑफ सीमा के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो क्या लोगों से भी मतलब नफरत करनी चाहिए?
नहीं, ये सवाल मैंने अभी किसी ने पूछा था मुझसे. मैंने कहा ये ना तो ये सवाल पूछने की आपको अथॉरिटी है, और जब आपको ये अथॉरिटी नहीं है तो मुझे भी कोई अथॉरिटी नहीं कि उसका जवाब देने के लिए. डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री है, हमने लोगों को चुना है जो हमको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जो हिंदुस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. वो उन लोगों का काम है, उन लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है, वो क्या करेंगे. मैं कौन होता हूं ये स्टेटमेंट देने वाला कि जाएं या ना जाएं. और आपको ये हक किसने दिया कि आप ये सवाल पूछें कि उनको जाना चाहिए कि नहीं जाना चाहिए?
अगर डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री है तो उसमें हक तो होना चाहिए.
नहीं, ये नहीं है. नहीं. कैसे हो सकता है?
एक डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी है.
हाँ, वो है ना, हमने इलेक्ट करी है, वो उनका काम है. इसीलिए संसद में आप नहीं बैठते ना. संसद में एक बंदा बैठा जो आप ही ने इलेक्ट किया है.
करेक्ट.
वो करेगा इस पर चर्चा. मेरा काम क्या है? मेरा ये काम है, मैं मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में काम करता हूँ. जब मुझे काम मिलता है मैं काम करता हूँ.
राइट.
और जैसा मुझे समझ में आता है, जैसा मेरे डायरेक्टर चाहता है, मैं वो काम करता हूँ.
करेक्ट.
फॉर दैट मैं मतलब आज़ाद हूँ कि मैं एक आज़ाद कंट्री में हूँ कि मैं जैसा चाहूँ, जैसा वो काम करवाना चाहता हूँ वो काम करता हूँ, जिस फील्ड में मैं हूँ.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहा है कि भाई एक देयर इज अ गवर्नमेंट, डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट, उनसे ज़्यादा अच्छे पोजीशन में कोई नहीं है ये समझने के लिए कि व्हाट इज़ द सिचुएशन अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर और ऑन द बॉर्डर. ओके. एंड व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स they are they are going to take next. So let's leave it to them.
और democracy
You know
का
what is
मतलब
happening? What is happening? If somebody says yes in favor of your
that's
question,
true. That's true.
then he is in the dock. If somebody is going against
true.
it,
That's true.
even then he is in
Both
the
are wrong.
dock.
Yeah, that is true.
So,
Both are
so
wrong.
you know
Yeah, that's true.
what is happening now?
Right.
Now suddenly these three actors are here. You ask this question, okay? If I say yes, I am for, you know, there'll be they'll start beating the drum outside my house, and suddenly, you know, there will be five guests being called in a television channel, and three of them will be abusing me, and two of them will be favoring me.
I know. We've
You know,
seen that.
there is suddenly news around that.
Absolutely.
I somehow feel that there is no need for these noise.
Absolutely.
There is a government who is in a better position,
अपना अपना काम करो ना.
you know, to understand things and take a decision for you.
Okay, Manoj bhai, we'll quickly play some rapid fire with you, since like it's like humorous film. So let's end it on a
Yeah.
fun note actually. So rapid fire with Manoj Bajpayee. A cuss word you discovered while shooting for Saato Chakke. Any cuss word you discovered?
इसी से आते हैं मुझे
कौन सा है?
सारे तेरी चूचियों के बीच में गोली मारूंगा.
Okay, which is your favorite adult comedy of Bollywood and Hollywood?
Adult comedy.
जी.
None.
Okay.
Hollywood कौन से यार? I think Adam Sandler is. Yeah, he's the guy. He's the guy actually.
Okay, the most hilarious thing about KK and Vijay Raj.
Most hilarious thing about KK, that he's given up alcohol. He's given up smoking,
Right.
and I think he's on the verge of giving up non-veg also. So I just visualize him in the garb of a saint, and like Shri 1008 Krishna Nand ji.
All right, and what about Vijay Raj?
Vijay Raj. Most hilarious.
देखा शब्द ही
That's
नहीं
it, looking but his whole personality is hilarious. Hilarious. You know, his reactions make me.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
even when he is giving interviews, sometimes
Yeah,
you know, I find it so hilarious because his pauses are completely unique.
Absolutely.
You know, his responses are something that I have not seen. You know, anybody responding to the question that the journalist is asking.
Absolutely.
So he has his unpredictable way of dealing with all the things.
Absolutely. So according to you, which film of yours has been your most satisfied work?
I mean, it's a very difficult question because you give so much to all the films, and I would say recently, Budhia and Aligarh.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Who according to you from Bollywood has the best comic timing according to you?
I think there are two guys, Raghuveer Yadav and Vijay Raj. Yeah.
चलो क्या बात है?
मैं इसलिए चूंकि मैं यहाँ हूँ.
नहीं
मैंने कहा कि इसका बोली तो नहीं है.
Okay, so rapid fire with KK Menon now. A thing जिसको देख के आपके कान खड़े हो जाते हैं. There's a dialogue from the film.
आप serious question पूछ रहे हो. ये बहुत serious question हो गया.
और ये on your behalf it's very wrong. No, it's not good.
आप देख के आपके कान खड़े हो जाते हैं.
नहीं कान नहीं जो भी मतलब
भी क्या कान के अलावा क्या?
अगला प्रश्न.
कान से सीधे जोड़ के चलेगा यार. बताओ यार.
It's that type of film actually. Alright, a film of Manoj Bajpayee you wish you should have done.
No, I have no such wishes. He's done a wonderful job in whatever he's done.
Okay.
In fact, on record, I want to say this. No, controversial क्या है यार? खुद ही हम लोग controversy हैं और क्या? In fact, I have always said that we thank Manoj
जी.
for doing Satya and acting so wonderfully in it, and also Ramu for making the film.
Yeah.
Because if these people had not done Satya, people like us would have taken another 5 years to enter this industry.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think you did Chhal I think almost immediately I think after.
Yeah, but Chalwal क्या है? Satya का सामने है. कुछ नहीं.
No, but somewhat similar genre actually. Alright, your honest reaction on following trends, classy and massy cinema.
I wish there was no such difference. क्लास आई डोंट थिंक मास्टर्स हैव नो क्लास, ऐसा है नहीं
जी.
क्लासिस्ट एटीट्यूड वैसे ही पसंद नहीं मुझे.
Okay, and 200 and 300 crore club.
मैंने कहा ना मैं टेनिस खेलूंगा वहाँ पे.
Tennis.
बहुत अच्छा मतलब ऑब्वियसली 300 करोड़ क्लब में क्या टेनिस
बिल्कुल,
होगा, मतलब
absolutely.
क्या कोर्ट होगा यार.
जी. Any film of yours, sir, that you regret doing?
रिग्रेट अभी तो तुमने खुद मेरे बयान मतलब बोल दिया यार. 80 में से कुछ 14 फिल्म में है, अभी 15 हो गए
Right.
जो जिसमें मेरी बहुत बड़ी खुशी है. बाकी गिन लो, माइनस कर लो.
An actor and actress from the current lot you think will make it big in Bollywood?
Oh, there are some wonderful actors. I think Ranveer is a wonderful actor.
जी.
Ranveer Kapoor. Ranveer is doing a good job.
Shahid is doing
Shahid is a good job. And then you have Kangana, Deepika,
Rajkumar Yadav.
Rajkumar Yadav. Yes, yeah. So many of them who are doing a wonderful job. I think there are some, even among the girls, there are so many people who are doing a wonderful job.
Right. Best and worst thing of working in a big budgeted commercial film. Anything that you'd like to say? Best and worst thing?
Best thing is that you don't have to work there. It's okay. I mean, you just have to relax. There's nothing to do there apart from showing that you're big.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Nothing else.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
So now rapid fire with Vijay Raz, and we hope that you'll make it memorable, sir. And आप मुझसे पूछेंगे नहीं कि ये सवाल आप क्यों पूछ रहे हैं. Let me ask. You've twisted the cuss words in the film like मादरखोर आपने twist किया हुआ है. So if कुछ मैं आपको list कर रहा हूँ कुछ words को, अगर आपको उनको twist करना है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? साला हरामी.
साला हरामी.
जी.
साला पजामी.
साला कुत्ते का बच्चा.
कुत्ते का जच्चा.
हरामखोर.
हरामपोर.
बिच. बिच.
किच.
किच.
हाँ मतलब
लॉन्ड्री सर, कौवा बिरयानी और ये तो टट्टी है. डायलॉग यू थिंक यूल ऑलवेज बी रिमेंबर्ड फॉर. इज देयर एनी डायलॉग दैट यूल बी रिमेंबर्ड? यू थिंक दैट?
यार मतलब वो तो अब लोग ही डिसाइड करेंगे. मतलब अगर उनको याद रखना है तो रख लिए.
हर किसी के लिए अलग
अलग होता है.
Okay. A राज about Manoj and KK that you know and they don't know that you know. कोई ऐसा राज है इन दोनों के बारे में जो आपको पता है?
जल्दी बता दे बेटा.
मतलब इनको हाँ मैं बिल्कुल है. इन दोनों को ही नहीं पता कि मैं इन दोनों लोगों से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
अरे क्या बात है.
एज एन एक्टर, एज ए पर्सन.
हमको पता ही नहीं था. हमको बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं था.
हम और कुछ नहीं समझ रहे. हम और कुछ नहीं समझ रहे. लेकिन ये है
I
कि
love working with them and I love talking with them when we are not shooting. So
जी बिल्कुल.
that is which
Love you, darling.
You know that is the most sentimental Vijay Raj would have ever been.
sentimental.
Ever been.
Yeah, this is quite rare.
Who's your favorite Uchakka from Sadhu Chakke?
Manoj Vajpayee.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So are you jealous?
I'm not an Uchakka in this.
It's not that कि मनोज भाई यहाँ पे हैं. It's really
I know.
yeah.
इसलिए मैंने नहीं कहा. इसलिए तो नहीं बोल रहा ना कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ.
So when you will watch the film, you
जी,
will see.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Really,
All right, an actor from Bollywood you've always admired but never got a chance to work with. कोई ऐसा एक्टर है बॉलीवुड का जो आप हमेशा काम करना चाहते थे बट आप काम नहीं कर पाए?
यार ये मेरे लिए ना बड़ा वैसा सा सवाल है. मैं उस निगाह से देखता नहीं चीज़ों को. एक तो फिल्में मैं बहुत कम देखता हूँ.
जी.
जैसा मैंने कहा कि मेरे लिए ना आदमी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो कितना बड़ा एक्टर है छोटा, वो मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. वो आदमी कितना खूबसूरत है, मैं उसके साथ. तो मैं सभी जितने भी खूबसूरत लोग हैं इनको मैं जानता हूँ. इसीलिए मैंने कहा बहुतों को मैं जानता नहीं. तो मैं उनकी फिल्में देख के आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट दैट कि हाँ मैं इसके वो ऐसी कोई चाह रही नहीं.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Fantastic. So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Lovely talking to you guys and eagerly looking forward to Sathu Chakke for sure. And I hope that everyone watches this movie. It looks very good. The vibrations आप लोगों की because अब मैंने आप लोगों को इतना excited कभी नहीं
It is very good actually.
I have not seen you excited for any.
So we can guarantee you that.
No, we can guarantee.
Yeah.
कि आप अपने 300 रुपए जो 200 रुपए जितने की
वो मैं दूंगा.
Definitely.
वापस
वो आप खर्च कर सकते हो.
No, absolutely. We'd love to do that. We'd love to do that.
यहाँ पे आपको वापस जा करके ये नहीं लगेगा कि वह वो दिखाया नहीं यार ऐसे वाला नहीं आने वाला.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Thank you very much and all the best. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.